In a People House by Dr. Seuss. Come inside, Mr. Bird, said the mouse. I'll show you what there is in a people house. A people house has things like chairs, things like roller skates, and stairs. Banana, bathtub, bottles, brooms. That's what you find in people's rooms. Scissors, needle, buttons, thread, cup and saucer, pillow, bed. These are donuts. Here's a door. Come along, I'll show you more. Here's a ceiling. Here's the floor. Piano, peanuts, popcorn, pails, pencil, paper, hammer, nails. Salt and pepper, goldfish, key, table, telephone, TV. Come on, there's more to see. You'll see a kitchen sink in a people house, a shoe and a sock and a clock, said the mouse. Bread and butter, window, wall, toothbrush, hairbrush, big blue ball. Baked beans, bureau drawers and books, lights and lamps, and hats and hooks. Mirror, marbles, shirt and string, knife, fork, spoon, and bells to ring. Doll and dishes, teapot, trash. Look up below, I'm going to crash. And another thing it's time you knew, a people house has people too. And now, Mr. Bird, you know, said the mouse, you know what there is in a people house. The end. If you like my video, please hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you. Have a nice day.